gracefully unfolds as we come to an end of the school year 2022-2023. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the joint graduation rites of Dato Santiago B. Iglesias Senior Memorial Elementary School, Cabaasan Elementary School, and Masago Elementary School, with the theme K-12 graduates molded through a resilient educational foundation. Graduate ng K-12, hinubog ng matatag na edukasyon. With so much cheer, let us laud the graduates as they march towards the venue. Let us welcome the candidates for graduation for school year 2022-2023 together with their proud parents. Let us also welcome the highly STEM members of the academic community led by the dynamic and supportive schools division superintendent, Ma'am Minerva T. Alves, duly represented by our monitoring supervisor, Ma'am Marijoy M. Intong, our district in charge, Ma'am April Ann G. Bernabe, our grade school leaders of Southeast 2 District, and of course, honored guest, our graduation speaker, Ma'am Joanne Faith N. Archer, together with the vibrant and high caliber educators of this institution. Barangay officials who are with us today, members and officers of PTA, visitors and friends. Education Program Supervisor in SGOT,